Hey Dreamers, this is Jade and I'm back with forgotten pages in my bullet journal for April. I forgot that I wanted to keep up with the television series and movies that I watch during the month of April so I'll know what I am journaling about in my television and movie journals. So I did just do a quick spread for that. So yeah, I just, lettered out TV and movies here. And actually what I had in mind was actually having columns for like the name of whatever I was watching, what platform I watched it on, my rating and when I started and finished it, and completely forgot about all of that. So I just have the sections where I list the title and also my rating for the show and or movie. So maybe if I decide to continue on with this next month, I'll be able to do it the way I had originally planned. I just completely forgot about it. I don't know how, but yeah, I'm adding it in now, and I just printed out a couple more stickers for this layout for the Animal Crossing theme. And so yeah, I've been using my favorite villagers. One of them from my New Leaf town was Muffy. But in New Horizons, there is this new kid. Well, I don't know if he's new to the franchise, but he's new to me. I've never had him before, and his name is Deli, and he's a cute little monkey. And I think that I will end up keeping him because I absolutely adore him. He wears this little cute vest, and he goes around with this little book. Anyway, I'm getting off track. So yeah, that's pretty much it. This is really quick. I'm just making this spread so I can have a place to write down what I watch and during the month of April, and my movies and TV. And so far I've already watched two excellent series, so I cannot wait to share with you guys. Anyway, I hope everyone is safe and happy and healthy, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye.
Please don't talk about me when I'm gone. Oh, honey, though our friendship's